Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Suhritha. I am studying in KG2E. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. I am here to talk about no pollution is the only solution. The problem of pollution has become very serious today. Man has interfered too much with nature. As a result, environment, which includes air, water, soil, etc., has been polluted. Reduce, reuse, recycle principle are the best measure to stop pollution. Reduce means minimize the waste we create. Reuse means use an item more than one time. Recycle means put an item to a new use. Accelerating in global warming are the result of pollution. Pollution always put a negative effect on human and animals. Polluted air and water cause many diseases in human and animals. We can stop pollution by using eco-friendly resources. Be a part of solution, not a part of pollution. Thank you.